by 2025, that is basically 2 years from now, the UN estimate that 1.8 billion people will be living in water-scarce regions. So that is a third of the world global population. So water covers 70% of the world, but only 3% of that water is fresh water. And also, only a third of that fresh water is available for use. There is 6 times more water in the atmosphere than there is in all rivers around the world in terms of volume. So there is a lot or a huge water resource in the atmosphere. And the way Magic Water came about is how do we harness this water resource, and especially for communities that are experiencing immediate need. So Magic Water was created to offer relief for these communities in terms of drought. So at least these communities can have drinking water. So currently we only get water from the atmosphere through condensation, but water for drinking. But increasingly, we are receiving a lot of interest for doing a bit of more research. How can we do farming, like hydroponics or aquaponics with this system, and especially in the regions that previously you cannot do any form of agriculture. I think the documentary, the Brave Brew World documentary, is quite unique because what we have talked about today is all these horrible statistics, but at the same time people want to hear optimistic stories. So this documentary, and we need more of this documentary that shows that even if this situation is happening right now, like bad things are happening, there is still hope. There are solutions that we can apply today that can create immediate relief. There are solutions that we can apply today that can create future relief. And there are solutions that we can do to conserve what we have. We live in the same world. This is the only home we have. So we need to take care of that resource.